Did you know that if you were to do absolutely nothing all day, your body would still burn calories? Yes, you heard that right. This phenomenon, called the basal metabolic rate, is the number of calories your body needs to carry out basic functions like breathing, circulating blood, and cell production when you are at rest. A higher metabolic rate means your body burns calories more efficiently. Isn't that fascinating? Now imagine if you could increase this rate. You'd be burning more calories even while resting. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's possible. And here's how you can do it. First on the list is eating enough protein. Protein has a thermic effect, which means your body burns more calories processing it compared to fats and carbohydrates. So, make sure to incorporate protein in every meal and snack. Next, remember to stay hydrated. Consuming sufficient amounts of water can give your metabolism that much-needed boost. Third, don't skimp on sleep. Lack of sleep can slow down your metabolism, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Fourth, engage in strength training. Creating muscle through activities like lifting weights can enhance your metabolism. That's because muscle burns more calories than fat. Fifth, maintain an active lifestyle throughout the day. Even if you can't make it to the gym, small activities like using the stairs instead of the elevator or taking a walk during your lunch break can make a difference. Sixth, eat frequently. Having smaller, more regular meals throughout the day keeps your metabolism ticking over efficiently. Lastly, avoid crash diets. These drastic calorie-restrictive diets can actually slow down your metabolism. It's essential to focus on sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle. Remember, everyone's metabolism is different. What works for one might not work for another. Metabolism can decline with age, so it's crucial to stay proactive in maintaining a healthy metabolism throughout your life. Now that you're armed with these tips, start incorporating them into your daily routine. Boosting your metabolism can lead to better weight management and overall health. So why wait? Start today and feel the difference.